Welcome to Doba tutorial. Today we will talk about the purchase orders page. First, please log into your retailer account. Go to the purchase orders page. Here, you can see all the orders you have placed, including manually placed orders using the Add to Cart option, your synced store orders, the pickup orders, all of them, no matter fulfilled, cancelled, or refunded. On the top, you may choose to use these sorting methods to locate a particular kind of order. All status, this one is important. We'll explain it later. All stores, click to choose orders from one of your stores you have connected. Shipping country/region, the name explains it all. Order time, you may select a time period. You may also search among your orders by order ID, or product name, etc., by entering the keyword here. Now, let's see the order status. There are 8 of them altogether: awaiting payment, pending, unshipped, in transit, completed, closed, in refund, in chargeback. We'll explain them one by one. Awaiting payment, this means all the synced unpaid orders from your stores, and the orders you placed using the Add to Cart option and choose to pay with wire transfer method. You may click here to make the payment now, or click here to upload your wire transfer receipt if you already did so. You may also click to choose multiple orders, and click this button on top to pay for them all together at once. If you choose to pay with the wire transfer method and finish making the payment, you may click here to upload the receipt to all the orders in this batch at once. Or if you change your mind and don't want to pay for multiple orders at once anymore, you can click this button to separate them and pay for them later one by one. Or you may select other orders to make another batch and pay for them at once later. Pending, this means all your paid orders which are waiting for Doba's validation. Unshipped, this means your paid orders which passed Doba's validation. In transit, this means the orders are shipped by the seller, they are being shipped by a carrier. Completed, this means the orders are received by your buyers, or by you. Closed, this means the orders are either closed by you, or by the sellers, for any reason. In refund, this means the refund requests of the orders are submitted and being processed by the seller or yourself. In chargeback, this means the certain orders the buyer refused to pay for. On the main page, you may find your order status, order ID, order time, warehouse location, and shipping method, and order total. Now, you have a basic idea of the orders of different statuses. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we'll tell you about the actions you may or should take on your orders of different statuses. If you like this tutorial video, please subscribe for more.